In this video, we are going to see how to sell ebooks on Instamojo e-commerce website. See here, this is my website. There is no product. Now I go to our dashboard and add some product. After go here, click on add product. Then digital file, then upload a file which is maximum 2 GB. I add a PDF here. This is uploading now. Then add a cover page here, your books. Then write the title of the book. Then write some description about the books. Then add price here which you want. If you select this fixed price, then write a price here. If you want to get discount, then click here and write here the price after the discount. Then give the permission how many times a buyer can download this file. Click here. Now I want to permission them to download only 2 times after buying them. Okay. Then click on here, available your quantity unlimited. There is no variant. Then add a category here. Click here and category name ebook. Then save. Then select this. If you want to reselling, then click here and on this. How many percentage you want to give them to the seller. Then choose here the reseller category. Then here add some text about your product. If you give some message after buying, then write here. Then this is complete. Then save this. Click here. See here, the ebooks is now added to my store. If you want to add another product, then click here. Then click here digital file. Then upload a file. Then add a cover page of your book. Then add the title of your book. Then description. After that, add a price here. I want to sell this for free. Then click here. Give the permission how many times buyers can download this. Then unlimited. Add a category here. Then select this ebook. This is free of cost, so there is no available any reselling. Okay, then write here a note. Now this is complete. Then click here save. Now there is 2 product is add to my store. Okay, then go to my store. Just to refresh this. See here there is 2 product. One is 0 cost and another is 300 rupees. If you want to give them some discount, then you can also do this. Then go to the dashboard of your Instamojo. Then just go down, click on discount, then discount links, then generate a link here, add a code here. If anyone use this code, then he will be offered some amount. Then add a amount, how many you want to give them discount, then quantity, then select a product. I want to give them the Time Traveler's Wife. In this book I want to give them some discount. Then click here generate link. Now the coupon code link is created here. If you want to add another link, then you can also do this. Just copy this. After sharing this link, if anyone wants to buy this link, then he will be discount 100 rupees. Okay, then go to the store. See here there is 300 rupees. If you click here, see here this is 300 rupees. Okay, now I going to buy this book by using this discount link. Go to the new tab and paste this link. Now see here this is now 200 rupees. Okay, if you want to buy this, then click here buy now. If you want to share anywhere, then you can also share this. Click here buy now, then add your information here. After add this, click here review and pay. You will be able to buy this. Okay, now I going to the store. I want to buy this 0 of cost books. Then click here, then click here buy now. Then add all information here, first name, last name, email ID and your mobile number. This is 0. Then click here review and pay, then make payment. This is free, so there is no required any payment. Now you complete the buy. You can download this. Click here be order and download. See here the detail. Now click on the download. Now the download is starting here. Then click here and open this. This is the ebook. After buy this, I can download this only 2 times. Now I complete one times. Now I go to the mobile and try another time. Go to the email, then click here no reply. There is the product detail is here. If you want to download this, then click here download. When you attempt second time, there is required your OTP, which is provided to your mobile number. Then click here send OTP and fill the OTP here. Then press the verify. Then allow here. Now you can download this. Click here download. Then view this. See here the PDF is here. Okay. Now I download 2 times. Okay. I want to try another time. Then see here what is happened. Go to the email and click here download. See here there is the message. That means the link is expired now. Okay. If you want to download another time, then you will be buy this second time. Okay. Like this, if you want to add more product on your store, then go here add product, then click here digital file and add your product like before. Okay. If you want to create an e-commerce store on Instamojo, then click here and see this video.